Hey HubSpotters, it's Caleb here with Celerant, and today we're going to learn how to create a task inside of HubSpot. So there are a few different ways you can go about this. The first way is by going to the actual task tool. So we're going to go to CRM and tasks here in the navigation menu. At the top right, you'll see a create task button. We'll click that. Enter in your task title. So let's say we want to um, email follow up with Caleb. So HubSpot recognized that I said email in the task title, so they automatically selected that task type for me. But if it was a different type of task, like a call, you could do that, or a LinkedIn Sales Navigator task, or just a regular to do, you could select that here. You'll select your priority here. So let's say this is a high priority, and then here we're going to associate with different records. So you have different options for your objects here. We're going to associate this with a contact. And let's search Caleb. This is me. You can assign this task to a certain user in your portal. Um, right now it's assigned to Team Celerant. If you have any task queues, you can assign that to a certain queue, and then here you'll select your due date and time. If this is a repeating task, you can select the box here to set to repeat and give yourself a reminder. So click create there. Now the next way you can create a task is by actually going to a object record inside of HubSpot. So let's go to my record, and we should see that task pop up here, which it is there. And then we can create a task directly on the record. So we can click task there, and let's just say this one's going to be a call follow up. So again, HubSpot recognized that this was a call, so they automatically set that for me. We can choose our priority, our queues assigned to, click create, and those are our tasks.